If you're curious about the Abib Collagen Gel Eye Patch and wondering whether it truly lives up to the hype, or if it's just another overhyped skincare product, then this review is for you. I put these eye patches to the test over a few weeks to see how they perform in terms of hydration, soothing tired eyes, reducing puffiness, and improving the overall appearance of the delicate skin under the eyes. First off, the packaging is very appealing and the patches themselves have a nice cooling gel texture that feels refreshing when applied, though the scent is a bit stronger than I expected, which might not be ideal for those sensitive to fragrances. After consistent use, I did notice a slight boost in moisture around my eye area, but unfortunately the patches didn't do much in terms of diminishing dark circles or fine lines, which are usually the big selling points of collagen-infused products. Another thing I noticed was the fit. The patches sometimes didn't stick perfectly, especially if I moved around or talked, which can be a little inconvenient. Overall, while the Abib Collagen Gel Eye Patch provides some mild hydration and feels pleasant on the skin, it didn't deliver the dramatic results I was hoping for, so I'd say it's neither a clear winner nor a total miss. If you're interested in trying it out, the product is tagged in the video. Keep in mind that skincare results can vary a lot depending on your skin type and routine, so what works for one person might not work for another. If you're on the fence, consider your expectations and budget carefully before making a decision.